Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another video in my series on my attempts at retail arbitrage for reselling on Poshmark. And for today, I'm going to be covering those must-have brands that I have always wanted to find outsourcing, never found before, BOLO brands. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in hearing about, definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, and in my spare time, I enjoy making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to reselling and Poshmark as well. So if that sounds like stuff you're interested in, just like I am, please check out my other videos I've linked down below, and also consider subscribing. That'll really help me out. Plus, you won't miss future videos like this one. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump into these brands, and as I've said before in my other retail arbitrage videos that are linked down below, I'm slowly starting to get into this retail arbitrage market. I'm not sure how well I'm going to do. I kind of was forced into this just because of the pandemic, so I've been having to kind of find other ways of sourcing. So I'm going to see how retail arbitrage does, and I'll let you know in future videos how they go. So for today, I wanted to cover just kind of a smattering of brands that I have not yet listed in my closet or have very limited experience reselling, but brands that I've always wanted to find. Some of these I will never find in my thrift store, so the only way to find them to put in my closet really will be through retail arbitrage or consignment. So that's kind of what I wanted to get into today. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump into what I picked up, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about these brands as I go along. I'm also going to share with you cost of goods if you find that helpful at all. For me, at least, when I'm watching these kinds of videos, I really want to know cost of goods. Oftentimes people don't disclose those, but I totally understand. But for me, at least, it's so helpful as a reseller to see what kind of price points other people are getting these items at. So when I'm outsourcing, I can know, is that a good price or not? Is that something that typically people find for a lower price or a higher price? I think that kind of information is really helpful as a reseller. So I hope that it'll be helpful for you as I go along here. So the first item that I picked up was a dress, as you can see, and the brand is called Joie. I think it's pronounced. I'm not certain, of course. I'm probably butchering it here as well, but there's the tag. So I do have, I believe, 2 items from this brand in my closet, but they're brand new, and I just haven't had them around too long. I have not sold them yet, though, but in terms of new at tag, this is a brand new brand for me, and there's the label here, and this is just a beautiful dress. The color is called Plaza, and I don't know if there's a particular design style or not. I'll have to look up what it is, but I thought this was just a gorgeous dress. So why I liked it was the style. It's kind of this sleeveless halter look type of style, and it's linen, which is super nice for this time of year, obviously. So I wanted to give this one a try. It's in a size extra large, and this brand does retail for quite a bit. In fact, the retail value is $228 for this dress. So I wanted to give it a try, and this brand I think is relatively trendy as well. So I paid $50 for this dress, and not including any shipping costs or tax. So when you add that up, for me, my tax is 10% here approximately. It's quite a bit more than that still. So again, cost of goods for these items are super high compared to if you're out thrifting these. But you know, some of these items you just can't find thrifting, especially new at tags. So yeah, I want to see how this does. But I thought this was a great dress for this time of year. Okay, so the next brand that I've always been looking for and haven't found yet is in the swimwear category, and that brand is Onya. So I picked up a couple swimsuits from Onya here, and here is what the label looks like. And on the actual swimsuit as well, it has the label here. It's in a size extra small, this particular one, but that's what the tags look like. And this brand of swimwear retails for quite a bit. This is the Kelly one-piece Hawaiian flower design, and it retails for $195. So in my opinion, this is just a super cute design here, as you can see with the flowers. It has a really low back, but a basic, you know, one-piece suit. So for swimwear in particular, I don't mind purchasing at higher price points, especially new at tags, because I think people, when they're looking for swimwear, tend to gravitate more toward newer items, just because of the hygienic reasons behind it, of course. So for swimwear in particular, I think that's important. So I tend to just really look for new at tag type of swimwear items. I don't have a lot of them in my closet for that reason, but I think in particular swimwear is one that you might want to consider picking up new at tag over some other types of styles. But Onya does pretty well in terms of resale if you look up comps. So I got another one as well in a different style and size. So this particular one is, again, the Kelly one piece in honey. It says it's called Summer Pal. This is the style. And this one is in a size medium. So this one has this really nice little palm tree design here. So same cut of swimsuit, but different prints. And look, this one has a little palm on the back, which I think is really cute. So really perfect for this time of year. I love swimwear. It's just hard for me to find good condition swimwear, but I was happy to find these, and I wanted to try out this brand as well. So for these particular swimsuits, I purchased them for $35, but I did get 25% off. So not a bad price point, I think, at least. So I'm gonna get these listed up real quickly, and we will see how these do. Okay, so the next brand that I was looking for and just haven't found before, and it is here. It's Yumi Kim. There's the label. So Yumi Kim makes some really beautiful items, including some accessories from FabFitFun. Of course, I think a lot of you, like I did, get the Yumi Kim cosmetic bag, which I use regularly, and I really like the quality, so I wanted to try out Yumi Kim's fashion line as well. But this is just a really basic top. I'd say it has the roll tab sleeves here, good for this time of year. It's a really nice tropical floral print with a button down the front with some pleating. So I thought this is kind of a fun design for this time of year. I thought someone might like it. I do like Yumi Kim as well. I think her items retail for quite a bit. In fact, the retail value is $138 on this particular blouse, and it is in a size medium. So this particular one I got at a pretty decent price point. So I paid $9.97 plus 25% off. So it's hard to beat that. So not a bad price point to start off with, I'd say. So I'm excited to see how this one does. Okay, and then I just have a few more items that I wanted to share with you guys, and this is from a brand that, again, I've always recently tried to look for, and I just can't find on the thrift stores. I think, to be honest, I'm not going to be able to find this out thrifting, so I want to try out this brand, and that's part of, at least personally, why I like Poshmark. Is I love it for the fashion. This is totally part-time for me as a hobby, so because of that, I'm able to not look out for items that may give me such a huge margin, but really ones that will make a little profit. But more importantly, I just enjoy sourcing these items, learning about the brands, and looking at the fashion. So because of that, you know, I don't mind if I have to compromise a little bit on the margins if I'm able to kind of enjoy the process more by shopping these items. So in this particular case, it's a brand that I think is really hot right now. It's Sync A Set. I think that's how you pronounce it. And there is the tag there. This line of fashion is, I think, super trendy and popular now. And I found this beautiful dress. And this particular one is called the Luna dress. And it's in a plum color. It is in a size 0. So here's the tag. So this is, of course, a special occasion dress, I would say. It's a strapless here with a beautiful hemline here, kind of a trumpet style hemline here. It's kind of a midi length, I would say, but just a beautiful classic style, I think. And this brand is really, really trendy right now, I would say. So I was excited to find this one at a pretty decent cost of goods. So just zippers up the back. Just very beautiful, beautiful dress. So this particular dress retails for $465. I paid $80 for it minus 25%. So again, not a bad price point, I'd say, for what amazing quality and this trendy brand. So yeah, so we'll see how this does. I'm excited to get this one listed. And then I have another item from the same line, Sync A Set, and it's another dress. So in particular, I really love the dresses from this fashion house. I think it just makes beautiful dresses. So I wanted to give this one a shot. So this particular one is called the Allison dress in navy in a size 8, and it retails for $400. Here is the tag, as you can see there. So the style is basically a shift dress, as you can see here. It goes kind of midi, like knee length, midi length, depending on how tall you are, in this beautiful navy color. And as you can see, the stitch work there is just gorgeous. So the attention to detail is just amazing, and it just zips up the back. So very classic style. So for some of these dresses, I think that have a little higher price points, I think some people might want just more of these classic type of designs, at least I would. The more trendy, flashy pieces are ones that I probably wouldn't want to invest so much money in. But ones that you're going to invest in, I think these classic designs may do a little better. So we'll see. But I was excited to find this one. I think it's a gorgeous, gorgeous dress. And also good for this time of year because it's just a shift dress, so pretty comfortable, I would say. So this particular dress I paid $100 for minus 25%. Okay, then I have one final piece from this line on this haul at least. I will have other items from Cinco Sep in future hauls as well because I'm waiting on some of those to arrive. But at least for now, this is the last item I wanted to share with you guys today. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous jacket. So again, this is the same brand, Cinco Sep, as you can see here in a size 10. And this is a gorgeous jacket. It is a Kylie jacket in rosewood in a size 10. It's a beautiful hammered satin jacket. So I think with a black pair of trousers, it's an amazing formal looking jacket to throw on. It would even look super cool, I think, and trendy with some really fun denim as well. I think that would be a great look as well for going out with some really fun heels. It has the ruched sleeves and it has some buttons on the back of the sleeve there, but just a gorgeous, gorgeous jacket. So this style still sells on the Cinco Sep retail site for a decent price point. So I was excited to find this at a little bit of a discount as well. And the comps for this looked pretty good, so I was excited to see how this goes. So this particular jacket I was able to get for about $120, not including any shipment costs or taxes. So I did pay a little bit more than that overall, but I think in terms of how the comps are looking and this jacket and how I thought it would perform, I thought that that would be a decent gamble to take by purchasing this. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how this one does. Not sure how it'll do this time of year, but I think because of the color, it might be pretty good as well. So we'll see how it goes, but I think it's just an amazing showstopper jacket from this line that I'm just kind of fallen in love with. So I'm excited to get this one listed as well. Okay, so I think that does it for my haul. So again, these are brands that I was really having my eyes out there for when I'm sourcing, but never found, probably never would find if I'm thrifting. So I wanted to see how I would do from the retail arbitrage perspective. So I'll let you guys know in future videos how well I can do with this. In the future, I will have other items from these brands highlighted in videos. I have purchased other items from them from consignment and also online. So I will let you know once those come in and what items I picked up. So stay tuned for those videos. Otherwise, thank you again for watching in another video, and I hope you're staying safe and healthy, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!